Ready, set, go! Hi, today I'm reading a book. The name is Oxford Reading Tree. Level 13. Beth is reading, making a plot for it. It's level 13. It's reading. Beth, Chip, and Kipper. And reading with Floppy too. They have to go to adventure and take the lab trap and to catch the virus using the lab trap. Each children only have one lab trap. If they only have one time, they work. Another time, more give one more. Didn't work. The last time, don't only 3 times to use the lab trap. And then new lab trap that looks like a pen, and the virus just put in the lab trap and grow it is much gooder. After they catch the virus, they go back to the time vault, and then we'll put it in the vat, and then if you hit the virus vat will come, you need lab trap to catch it back to the vat again. And at the end of the story, the train goes back on the bridge. The end. 我今日同大家分享超神奇牙膏。個主角係一個男仔，第一日咧，去超級市場買咧蘋果嘅味嘅牙膏，跟住咧佢食完晚餐，跟住刷咗牙，跟住咧變咗蘋果嘅面頭喎，跟住佢補咗啲水出嚟咧，就變翻自己嘅樣咯。第二日咧，佢咧就去咗超級市場咧買咧香蕉嘅味，跟住變咗香蕉嘅面，跟住背咧水咧已經變翻自己嘅樣咯。第3日啊，佢咧要去咧超級市場買蛋糕嘅味。跟住咧，佢食完晚飯，跟住刷咗牙，跟住變咗蛋糕嘅味，跟住盆水唔變翻自己嘅樣嘅，跟住咧帶住士多啤梨頭咧翻幼稚園，跟住最後啦，個男仔用一片牙膏嚟刷牙，唔會變翻其他面啊，跟住佢嘅狗領咗一個橙超神奇嘅牙膏係橙嘅味，跟住咧變咗橙嘅頭啊！個故事就講到呢度啦，多謝。